Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an amazing update for all Indian ChatGPT users. Yes, if you are from Indian, then ChatGPT is giving you its Pro plan absolutely free for 1 whole year. I will show you the full process step by step, so watch till the end. First, open your Chrome browser and search for ChatGPT. Then open the official website. After clicking the official website, click on Try ChatGPT. Once you log in, you will see a banner at the top that says Upgrade for free. This is only visible for Indian users. Click on that button. After clicking, you will see ChatGPT Go free for 12 months. Now click the Upgrade button. To activate the free plan, ChatGPT needs an autopay method. You can use debit card, credit card, or UPI. They will charge 2 rupees for verification. After that, you will get the ChatGPT Pro version free for the next 12 months. After 12 months, the normal price will be auto debited. So if you do not want to continue, you can cancel before the 12th month. Until then, enjoy ChatGPT Pro completely free. So that is the full process. This is a huge opportunity for Indian users. So make sure you grab it before it expires. If the video helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.